Hey guys, before this video starts, I would like to tell you I'm going on vacation very soon, so there won't be any content coming from me, this channel, and anywhere else. Like seriously, there's gonna be nothing here. Well, except for this video, but that's it. So if you want to stay tuned, well, you gotta wait until, like, what, 2 weeks from now on? And then I'll be back from vacation. And with that, let's go on to the episode. Hey guys, it is me, Yellow Orb, and welcome to episode 5 of Insane Rebooted Cutouts. So last time, the Pipey Pipers lost because Two-Face lost due to Green Bubble poisoning him and dying, quote unquote. So anyway, you guys lost, so you will be going to face elimination. Yeah, like that's ever gonna happen. What do you mean, Hammer? Well, you know what I mean. I'm getting tired of this show. Well, you do realize that you still have to compete until the show is over. Oh, right. Anyway, Rubber Ball's sister, since you were immune last episode, I guess your immunity is away. What? What do you mean? I was kidding on that. And plus, your immunity is still away because you're safe this episode. From now on, you'll be up for elimination no matter what. Oh, okay. I'll just go over here. Anyway, we only got one vote, which is sad, but I don't really care. Why do you not care? I mean, it is kind of fair because not many object show creators post episodes these days, besides probably a daily show or something. Oh yeah, I have watched the daily object show a lot. Yeah, but they don't post daily. Yeah, I know. I saw it. Anyway, so that one vote goes to Screwy. Wait, why am I eliminated out of everyone? Yeah, why is she eliminated out of everyone? I mean, she did nothing. I mean, Two-Face was the one who did it. I did not do that. Okay. Anyway, yeah, Screwy, you're eliminated with one vote. The rest is safe with 0. Are you seriously kidding me? This is so the unfair elimination over here. Say that to your face. Hey, that was so rude. I want to punch you. Hello. And looks like she died. Lamau, what a bozo. Actually, that was kind of rude. Okay, yeah, that was kind of rude, you know, of me. Oh god, what have I done? I became a monster. Alright, everyone. So, your next challenge is, I don't know, just explore and find me, okay? Wait, where did he go? Hello. Whoever reaches to me first will win. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, guys, we have a plan, you know? Come over here. Yeah, sure. What's your plan, Mr. Wise Guy? Yeah, what's your plan? Well, I follow this. How about we split up and look in every single area of where we can find them? Sounds good enough to me. Yeah, fair point, but we still gotta look for everyone. So, where should he be? Probably under some weird things. Probably like that pillow over there? You might be right. Ow. Got stuck. That's so annoying. You know that sometimes breaking the fourth wall is not cool. Well, here goes nothing. Wow, seriously? No one's here. I think he meant the other pillow. Alright, I think I found one of them. Haha, I got it. Are you kidding me? There's still nothing here. Alright, guys, what is our plan? Well, how about if we split up? Like, real split up. That's actually a good idea. I mean, it's stealing for the other team, but that doesn't matter. I mean, we have lost 3 times. 2 of them are in a row. Yeah, and we don't want to lose a 4th member. Well, speak of the devil, because, we're gonna be up for elimination. What do you mean? Ha, I was just kidding with you. Are you serious? That's not funny, Charger. Yeah, I don't care. I'm just a prankster. Lol. How about if we just split up? That's actually a good idea. I'm just gonna magically teleport. Lol. Wait, what the? How did he teleport? Yeah, I don't know how that happened, but I think he got skidoodle. Ha, that's kinda actually funny, because you're funny. Thank you, someone actually likes my humor. Yeah, but for real, where's Hammer? Yeah, I don't really know where he is. Yeah, let's try and find him. And there we go. Let's check out where he is. It sure is taking a long time. I really want to go to the beach today. Although I don't want to ditch my contestants because, I don't know, there's like what? Nothing here? I wonder if he's here in this non-weird thing that has crayons or something else in it. Let's open it. Ow. Well, looks like I was right. There is crayons and something else in here. And my head hurts. Ouch. Whew. That went pretty easy. Let's get rid of this. I wonder where he is. You know what? I'll make an announcement. Hey, Scully, how are you there? Well, I'm still trying to find him, but there's nothing here. Oh, okay. Beep boop bop beep boop beep beep. Huh? Attention, everyone. If you don't find me in 5 minutes, both of you will be up for elimination. Oh no! Gotta go. Huh, this must be the room of Remy. That sure is my room. I mean, there is a hint, but I won't tell you what the hint is. You stupid idiot stupid. Hey, don't call me a stupid idiot stupid. I mean, look at yourself. You're recording. Oh yeah, that's right. Anyway, adios. Wait, what am I supposed to do? Because I can't move. I said adios, so do it yourself. Oh, okay. 4 minutes remain. Oh god, I have to find him real quick. Hey Hammer, have you seen him? No. Okay, ooh, I got an idea. I'm just gonna go, left. Damn, what a bozo. I found him already. Damn, this is getting so long. Only 3 minutes are left. 3 minutes, and I haven't even checked. Ooh, maybe in this briefcase. Okay, maybe I don't have to look at that briefcase. Maybe I have to get rid of it. Wait a sec. Is that a closet? Damn, that is a closet. Man, I really wonder what's inside. Oh, it's just full of nothing. Yeah, okay, you can get rid of it. And that's how you destroy a wardrobe. Lamau. Too bad that disc album is dumb enough because I know his place. Wait, did someone call my name? I better go check it out. Oh, hey, Emma. Hey. Hi. Yeet. And looks like you lost. Yay, wait, what? I said to not go to me. Are you stupid? Wait, what? So that means the Pipey Peppers have won. But you caused the challenge to lose. Stupid. Hey, at least I tried to find you. Well, yeah, but you're not trying to find me. Oh, yeah? Are you sure about that? Well, I don't care about you. Blah, blah, blah. So, viewers, vote for one of those guys in the poll because, comments are disabled. And, I don't care. Voting ends in August. That's actually a good question. Hey, Yellow Orb, what is the date until the voting ends? August 17th? You heard them, folks. August 17th. And, also, it ends at 3 p.m. CEST. So, yeah. Happy August, and, see you in September. Because that's my favorite month. Yay. And it's also not my birthday month. So, yeah. Also, guys, if you're watching this, don't tell Yellow Orb that I was hosting for this. Lol. Anyway, see you in episode 6 because Yellow Orb is not gonna do it because he sucks. Anyway, bye.